testing is going well. Existing technology that we were looking at 5 years ago would cost us $200 million. With this innovative technology, we're looking at installing it for around $4 million, which is a substantial savings for our cooperative members which buy our power.
There's a lot of environmental challenges that are coming down the pike for electric cooperatives, and really right now there aren't that many technologies that can allow these electric cooperatives to keep running their power plants in a clean, affordable, and reliable manner. Just kind of be frank, what the market offers right now is just too expensive. The demonstration today of the ClearChem technology that's being implemented by EES really shows a lot of promise, has an opportunity to provide a much less expensive alternative to traditional emission controls technology, reducing the cost of an important emission control by upwards of 90%. And for some plants, that could really be the difference between keeping them running for another 10 years or having them close down in the next few.
The unique way these programs work, like with EES, is that the vendors are working hand in hand with a group of the cooperatives who are all set about to figure out a way to either reduce sulfur dioxide or reduce mercury or some combination thereof.
In the case of EES, we found an organization that was responsive, had a can-do attitude, and worked to resolve problems.
At EES, we're basically problem solvers. We're aware of the problems that the utility industry's having. They're having problems with efficiency, we go after slag control. They're having problems with emissions, we have the ClearChem platform for SO2. Mercury is a big problem coming up. We have Clean Scrub. We go after the problems, the main problems that they're having, and try to solve them with technology.
The results have been very positive for our members, and again, while each one varies somewhat in whether it's targeting sulfur dioxide emissions or mercury emissions or acid gases, what we're seeing is that in each case it's making a reduction, all of which is done in a much more cost-effective way than if you were simply putting on an end-of-pipe control.
If there's a power plant that has a scrubber that's underperforming or is an old scrubber and is faced with an expensive scrubber upgrade, which can easily run $20 or $40 million, for $4 or $5 million, they could install this system and eliminate the need for the scrubber upgrade.
The real long-term goal is, in addition to finding these new technologies, is really looking at combinations, suites of these new emission control technologies to really tackle all the different emission concerns that folks have out there.
We do our best to put together a whole package of options for the customer so that they have multiple ways to address problems. That's EES, that's what we've always done.